Hey everyone! Today we're gonna shoot a video with this, a smartphone from 2013, the Galaxy Trend Lite. Okay, there we are. This is the sound and image from the Samsung. And there's only one camera. It's a back camera, so I have no idea what I'm filming. So you see, I can literally do anything for the framing. So let's hope it's gonna be good. The camera itself is a 3 megapixels photo camera, but for video it's only 640 by 480, so very SD-ish. VGA resolution, shall we say. So this is what I get with the Samsung. As you can see in the shadows, everything looks blue and stuff like it. We get a digital zoom, so we're gonna use it. It works in steps like that. In fact, what it does, it's literally cropping and upscaling the photo. It's not a real zoom, it's digital zoom. Right now we're going to look at a comparison with my other phone, my OnePlus. And as you can see, they're 30 years apart, but worlds apart in image quality. Now let's try under the bridge in low light situations. The image is very grainy. In a way it reminds me of VHS or even Super 8 because of the jittery image. That's why I tried to emulate the Super 8 look with footage run on this phone a few weeks ago. Plus we get this wonderful echo. See that? So this phone is the Samsung Galaxy Trend Lite, or the GTS 7290. Yeah, they didn't make it very easy to remember. It was literally a smartphone that was used back in the day for youngsters or older people. In fact, this phone belonged to my grandmother and she barely used it. The screen was too small for her. I shot this footage last week and as you can see, well, yeah, it's good enough. At least you get some video. But now I'm really wondering, what is it good for? Is it good as a smartphone? Not really. It's not being updated for a very long time. As you can see, I tried to go on YouTube and it doesn't work. Let's try to look at one of my videos and the sound is all jittery and even at the lowest resolution. It's roughly useless as a smartphone. Well, probably as a media player and having fun as the video camera with SD resolution. Plus it's a phone that you won't be worried if you lose it or if it gets damaged. It's not really a high value item. Unlike this one, I mean, if I was to go on a music festival, I'd rather take this phone, lose it and not worry too much than losing or getting this damaged. It's less money. These things are pretty expensive, you know. I see a lost shoe. A few years ago I tried to take pictures of lost and abandoned shoes, and this is one of them. Let's give this a try. So, like I said, we're gonna set it the right way, just like this, and we're gonna take a picture with this phone. So the photo camera is only 3 megapixels. It doesn't sound too bad, but you gotta remember it's a fixed focus and not very detailed. And look at that, this picture was taken with my iPhone 5 back in the day. It's me with the former Belgian Prime Minister. And yes, I look 10 years younger. Don't tell me that, I already know it. But look at the definition and the quality. Compared to what you would get with something like this, this was literally an entry-level phone. And I mean, entry-level smartphones today, they have decent image quality. This was literally something that, well, just take pictures for fun, but don't expect anything quality-wise. So, the question is, should you be using this phone in 2024? Not as a smartphone, honestly. I tried to go on YouTube earlier today, and this is what happened. I tried to view my latest short video, and, well, just have a listen. Yeah, it was all jumpy, it was buffering all the time, even at the lowest resolution, so it's pretty much useless. And going on the internet, most websites are gonna be sluggish and they won't even load. And I was connected to Wi-Fi, so just imagine what it would be, because this phone has only 3G connectivity. But in any case, it works as an MP3 player. Obviously, I'm not gonna play any sound, because, well, The sound is not very good, but good enough for a copyright strike, so we won't go there. And the good thing about this phone is that even though the battery is 11 years old, it still works like if it was new. I cannot believe it. Plus it's USB old style connectivity, so you can charge it with a power bank and it's not going to be any issue whatsoever with that. So yeah, it's a cool gadget. Most of the apps on this phone don't even work, and the Play Store doesn't even connect, so you cannot upgrade anything. As a smartphone, it's pretty useless. The phone itself has a storage capacity of 4 GB, plus you get an extension with an SD card. And look, the original memory card that was in the phone was made by Yashica. I'm also surprised how clean this phone is. It looks almost brand new. My grandmother, well, she didn't use it that much, but she was very careful. And that's all I got for you today, guys. As always, thank you for watching. I hope to see you next time. Leave a like, a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See ya.